I'm well. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking me. And what about you? How's your day?
I'm doing exceptionally well, and thanks for asking too. And yeah, let me know about yourself. We are meeting first time, so quickly we can introduce ourselves to each other for the audience.
Sure, man. My name is KR Bhardwaj. I'm from Himachal Pradesh. By professional, I'm an English tutor. I teach English for both competitive examination point of view and spoken English. And whenever I get time, I do farming because I'm the son of a farmer. You can say I'm also a farmer. That's all. When it comes to my hobby, I love reading books, listening to English music, and watching English movies as well.
Okay, so what did you do, sir? Uh, you are a teacher by profession.
I'm an English tutor, not a
Okay, English
teacher.
tutor, or as well
Yeah,
as a farmer
tutor. Yes,
also. Okay, you
yes,
belong
exactly.
from you belongs to a farming family, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, okay. I love to introduce myself also. As you know that my name is Monica and I hail from Gwalior, MP, and I am a teacher by profession and I teach English and simultaneously I am working on my communication skills and I started my channel also. It helps a lot to improving me and I am a home tutor also. And I teach spoken classes. I take usually spoken classes in my at my home itself, and I am a mother of two kids. And thanks for asking. That's much about me.
Okay. Yes, that's it's okay, ma'am, and it's one of the best introductions. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sometimes we make mistakes in a flow. So please
Yeah.
let me know which type of teacher you are. Do you teach school, competitive examination point of view or only spoken classes do you take?
Actually, I just started my spoken classes 1 month ago. I started, and yeah, there is a competitive classes also like a PGT TGT post. I teach most of the students online PGT TGT for the competition for the government exam sector, only English literature and language. This is my specific subject I teach,
Okay.
and I taught last 10 years in my English teaching field, and I have good experience also in my teaching field. Yes.
Okay. That's great, ma'am. So I have one more questions, if you don't mind. So are you a government teacher and a private teacher?
I am a private teacher and I teach in a private sector last 10 years.
Oh my God. So you have 10 years experience.
Yeah, yeah. Because in
Okay.
my childhood
So
days, I was fond of teaching children, lots of children. So when I grew up and after finishing my studies, so I should go through in my teaching field. And in 2014, I started in a private school for teaching. I started teaching. And after getting married, there are four years gap or 5 years gap is there, but again, I started my journey in 2025.
that's great. You do what you love. It's great.
Yeah,
What we love, if we do that thing, it's best for us.
yeah. I love. If
And
actually repeat your question.
uh, you are teaching now. So
Yes.
because you like teaching. Yeah. Before 5 years gap, you have started teaching. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually,
Yes.
I love to
So it's
start.
better for us.
I started my teaching again in 2025 offline. But in on the other
Offline.
hand, in five gappings since like 2018, and now it's been 7 years completed in 2025, and I taught. online classes like YouTube, my YouTube online classes like English language and literature both, which aspirants are preparing for the government exam, PGT or TGT post. I started to teach those students online only. But if I talk about like my
Online.
after offline mode, I started just 2025. And my teaching career never departed me. I always reconnect. I always connected with my teaching career. I never like give up that I couldn't do this because of lackness of time. Yeah, but sometime I felt that I have done much time for the tuition and for other things also, because being a housewife or being a mother, you are very occupied and swamped. Sometimes you are much swamped every 25 24 hours with the kids, with the household work also. So yeah, but I never
Mm.
ignore my teaching career. I always take out some time for my students, always. This is my dedication, you can say.
Okay, that's great. You are perseverance, and you are continuously teaching, offline. You didn't give up.
Yeah, whenever I got
Okay,
opportunities, I never lose them and I grab them. Always I try to grab my opportunities whenever I got like online, offline, whether there is it is. Yes. So what do
okay.
you do in your
So,
leisure
ma'am,
time
as
and
you
stuff?
know,
Yeah.
whenever I get time, I read books. As I mentioned you before, I love reading books and watch movies, English movies, listening to songs. Most of my leisure time, I spend that time reading books. I
Which
love reading
kind
books
of books
mostly,
did you, yeah, which kind of books do you like to read most?
self-help books like Rich Dad Poor Dad. I have read many books, but now, yeah, like Think and Grow Rich, The Magic of Thinking Big, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Energize Your Mind.
Okay. So
There are many books
can we
I
talk
have
like a
read.
podcast, English podcast, little bit? Actually, I started my
Yes,
English
of course.
podcast like 1 week ago. I started, and this is my second one with you, sir. So could you please help me for podcasting, if you
Yes, ma'am, sure. Please.
yeah. So in this podcast, we share to each other's thought like small phrases or like a small short stories, right? So from my side, this is the use of can, could, and may, might. From my side, this is the podcast based on the grammar rules, because nowadays people are struggling for their learning journey in this language, because they are not aware of grammar rules, right? And they grammar is not tough, not too tough to learn, but people makes a phobia type, like because now so many rules are there, we have to memorize like in grammar,
Yeah,
like sentences
we have to
making a
cram,
structure.
we have to, yes.
Yes, yes. So we can
Yes,
discuss about can, could, and may, might. So are you comfortable with that?
yes, ma'am, sure. Yes, I'm
Yeah,
comfortable.
okay. Okay, so please let me know
Um,
about first we start can and could, right? So we start from the small story. From my side, I started using of can and could, and after that you just share your thought in can and could. Okay, okay. So firstly, I would
yes,
say
please.
that the use of can in present tense. Mostly we can use present tense is the form of can, and past tense the form of could, we can say. So do you thought what is the criteria of learning can and could? What is two or three rules? You just tell me. You just tell me.
Can, first can is used for in, impolite information, request, like if I need any order, if I want permission, any permission, so we use can informally, like can I go there? Can I take your mobile? Can I get this? Can I get that? First. And second is can is used for possibility. It shows
Yes.
a strong possibility. It can be raining today. It can, it can rain today, and so it could be anything. And third use can, yes, do. And when we talk about could is used, first in past tense. In the if first clause is in the past tense, then we use could instead of can. And second use could is used for polite request. Could you please go there? Could you please sit here? Could you please get me a glass of water? Etc. There are many uses of could. Could can be used also to show possibility. It's less possibility, like it can rain today.
Okay.
So
So now
it
we
could,
connect a story
yeah,
from these two verbs. These are the modal verbs. These are the modal verbs also. It is called also a modal verb, and it is very necessary to make a small story by which our audience can aware of these two rules of grammar. They cannot be boring as well. So I want to try to frame these two modal verbs in a story, right? Okay. So
please
once
try
time
this,
there is a
and
yeah. Once in a time there
please do
was
this.
a
And actually,
yeah, please pardon.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, please do this. And after that, yeah, because I haven't got your point properly. That's it. Please first try to narrate a story using by using could and can and could. Then after
Okay, yeah, yeah.
that,
Yeah, I want to
please go
relate a
ahead.
story while we are using like
Please.
can and could. These are the modals verb. For example, I can speak English. My friend can speak English very well. But sometime later, before her schooling, she couldn't able to learn English properly because she had no proper resources or proper communication skills as well. So that's why she couldn't learn English properly. But after some time, she got some opportunities by her tutor, and she can speak very well. She can make her own sentences, her grammatical structure properly. And yesterday, I met my friend. She could she could express her thought. She was able to express her thought very nicely in front of me, and I would say that she can speak English very fluently like a native speaker. So yeah. Please tell me, sir,
Mm.
what about your scenario about this story? And please tell me a little story, a short story as well, also by framing these mortal verbs.
Okay, please give me a few seconds. Yes. Yesterday, I went to market and I purchased many things, but I couldn't lift them because everything, many things, I had many bags, so I couldn't lift them together. So then I took a rickshaw, a taxi, and I came home. And after that, now I can see I have I have done many, much shopping, and now so I can wear uh, different of shirts. I can put my suits, by changing every day, and I can learn my. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, be
Uh,
comfortable. Don't be hurried. Be comfortable.
yes, yes. And now I can go to the market and buy new shoes, and I can do something new. But there is no need to buy a new shoes because yesterday I bought many pairs of shoes, three pairs of shoes. So now there is no need to buy.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
your story is
that's
there
all. I'm so sorry. I
for the depends on the outfits. Yesterday you went to the market, you purchased so many things, and you can wear now every days, and you can enjoy your different outfit, right?
Yes, exact.
Okay,
Yes,
so we
yes,
can change the
yes,
topic
ma'am.
now. Possibility. What is the use of can and could in another area like a possibility? Less certain. It is less certain. For example, it could rain tomorrow, but not sure, right? So likewise, my
Right.
may and might is also has the same position like can or could. It could rain tomorrow, so it is not sure that rain must be there. It occurs a possibility, right? For example, this
Possible.
plan
Right, ma'am.
could be risky. This plan could be risky. ये plan risky हो सकता है, but it may be possible
Yes,
or not. Risky हो भी सकता है और not भी हो सकता है. So this plan could be risky for the audience or for the planner. It depends on the scenario of the people. So likewise, we can also connect these two verbs, also modal verbs, may and might. Likewise, can and could is
exactly.
there. Like a possibility, we can use like polite request. We can use could I borrow your pen? Could I help you? Could you please uh, could you please give me a short space for sitting? So these are the model verbs which are going to use in a polite request or possibility, right? In the past ability also
Right.
we can say. Okay, so now we can
Okay.
start may
Now,
and might. Yeah, tell me
okay,
something
okay, ma'am.
about
So,
these verbs.
hmm, okay. So, as you know, may, might, could can be used for possibility. So when we talk about can shows a strong possibility, and could shows us, sorry, may shows us a little bit, a little lesser possibility, not stronger. So and may is more lesser, and could is used very less possibility. Like it can rain today. इट कैन रेन टुडे, आज बारिश हो सकती है. इट माइट रेन टुडे, आज बारिश हो सकती है पर थोड़ी संभावना, द पॉसिबिलिटी इज वेरी लेस,
Yes, yes,
नॉट
yes.
लिटल बिट लेसर. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मे इज यूज्ड मोर लेसर. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट could, it could rain today, it shows us very less possibility, means chances are only 80%. So sorry, 20%, not 80%.
Yes,
If
yes.
we talk about with can shows us 19%, 90%, 90% uh, chances, and may suppose 70%, 70%, 70. And when we talk about might shows us maybe 50, not number exact, but you can
Okay, tell me
consider about it.
4 or 5 sentences in a short story. You can express a short story on may and might as well, so that our audience can understand nicely.
So for that, in a one sentence, I have to create a story.
Yeah, you should create a story on your own words. Any story, any past tense story you can create in your mind.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me create.
I will give you hint. Okay. Now
Please.
there are two partner in my story, Ria and Shweta. These are two friends, and they are both stuck in a roads in a like in the market, because it is started raining heavily, and they are not able to go back their home. They are stuck because of the rain. So
Okay.
yeah, you just tell me how can they go back their home by using
How
their
can they go to
can
their?
and could and may and might both. And these four modal verbs you can use in your story. Small
Okay,
sentences you can frame.
okay. Let me create a story. Small first. Ria and what is the name of second girl?
Ria and Shweta.
Shweta. Okay.
Yes.
Ria and Shweta went to the market yesterday, but they forgot to bring umbrellas, we can say. So they went there. It uh, that time was 12 o'clock, and it was raining over there. So they couldn't okay they couldn't help themselves to get drenched in the rain
Very
because
nice. Very nice.
mm, yeah, they forgot taking umbrellas with them, so as we mentioned before. And second, if uh, let me tell. Okay,
Yeah.
they thought if we had we have brought umbrella with us, uh, so mhm, we could not have get drenched, and it may be it might be their faults because they didn't think it would be raining today.
Yeah.
And
And they forget to
how
bring
can I
your
create sentences
umbrellas.
with may and might?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. You create a
Hmm.
wonderful story, sir. Heads of you, and thank you so
Yes,
much
but
for, yeah, yeah. And now it's my
thank
turn. This is the story of Rainy Surprise, a short story presenting by me, a rainy surprise. Now, once upon a time, there were two friends, Ria and Shweta, who are stuck in a market. In the market, is out of the blue when they saw that there was raining started heavily, and we can say cats and dogs also, because there is a phrase of cats and dogs means मूसलाधार वर्षा start हो गई. It may rain
Musladhar,
today.
yes, yes,
They
downpouring.
both are very puzzled and perplexed for the by the sudden podcast or sudden like weather condition. They were talking to each other how could they reach their home at time. But yes, they have a mobile. They have mobiles, and they called her brother to came back in the market and to bring them house. So yes, it might be stuck the rain. It might be stop the rain. So they both are go back their home with their brothers. Now Ria said, we may stay at home and watch a movie, because again they are started to going to the market for bringing or purchasing uh, something new or for the shopping. And her friend Shweta told Ria that we may stay at home and watch a TV, because suddenly the rain maybe started. Okay, so they do not go outside. The weather gets better. When the weather gets better, they can go outside and enjoy the shopping as well. So after some time, it started raining heavily. Ria laughed. See, I told you it may rain. Yeah. Shweta replied, yes, you was right, and it might rain too. And both of them enjoyed the rain with hot tea and hot snacks also. So this is my
That's great, ma'am.
story by using these model verbs.
That's great, ma'am. Yes, you
Yeah.
did well. Actually, I'm so sorry. This is the first time. I love it. Okay, we are also learners, you know. So I love it. Getting out of our comfort zone. It's best. It's
Yes.
best. It's the best. Okay,
But you
so
tried
I
your
love doing
best,
this thing.
at least you tried your best, and you are able to express your thought without out of sudden, out of the blue. This is the podcast from my side, and you got ready. This is the biggest thing for me, guys. Okay, so thank you for
Thank you
being
for
a
your
part
compliment.
for this English podcast with me. And we also connect we also like share one or two questions. There are time is left here, actually, so we can
Yes, I would love to ask you a question, please.
yes.
Again, you are a teacher and you know very well about it. When we create a story, past story, we have to use only past tense and past verbs. We to have instead of have instead of had. We have to use. We can't use can while narrating the story. And third thing, I have one more questions. It's raining like cats and dog. Is it a correct sentence or incorrect? For our viewers, please explain it.
Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. It is raining heavily. It means बारिश बहुत तेज हो रही है. Instead, we can use it is raining cats and dogs. It is truly correct. Cats and dogs is a phrase, and many people are not aware, I think. This is the phrase for using our conversation effectively. So we can use cats and dogs
Yes,
if,
God.
yeah, instead heavily. It is correct.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry, ma'am. Please. Sorry for interruption. You haven't got my point. Okay, listen to my sentence. Listen my sentence carefully. It's raining like cats and dogs.
Okay, like it's
Is it
raining
a
like
correct
cats
sentence?
and dogs.
And
It is not correct. It is not correct.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's why I asked this question. It's okay. It's raining like cats and dogs. Like preposition after preposition, we use noun and pronoun, as you know. So here it's no, we don't use. If you say this, it's raining like cats and dogs. It means बारिश हो रही है like कुत्ते बिल्लियों की तरह, कुत्ते बिल्लियों की तरह. Okay. जब हम like का use करके when we use like is a preposition. After preposition, we don't use a phrase that is called a phrase, it's phrase says, like a downpouring.
Yeah. So please correct
If you
it.
say
Please
like
correct it.
cats and dogs,
Yeah, please correct it.
yes,
How
correct
can
way is
we how
it's
can we
raining
how
cats
can
and
we
dogs.
read or how can we write this sentence with the phrase cats and dogs by using cats and dogs phrase? You just frame one sentence for my audience.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's raining cats and dogs. We have to remove like. We don't use like.
Yeah,
If we
yeah. We
use
cannot use
like,
like. Yeah.
hmm. Otherwise, this sentence is 100% correct. It's raining cats and dog. If you write it's raining like cats and dog, it means
No, no, no. This is
बारिश हो रही है
this is
कुत्ते बिल्लियों की
incorrect.
तरह.
But I
Yes.
used like or not, I don't know. I didn't know. I used in my conversation. Usually we use this is the like keyword or by connecting our conversation, so we can use like or otherwise like other sentences or other small words
No,
for
ma'am.
filling our
No,
conversation.
you didn't use like. You
Okay.
spoke well. You spoke a correct sentence. I just trying to explain about this for our audience because some students, students will watch this video. So then this is for them.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so I would say that it is raining cats and dogs. It is correct sentence,
Hmm.
and we cannot use like word because like is not comes here. This is the incorrect. If we use another like filler, we can sentence will be sentence may be incorrect. So correct sentence. It is a structure. It is raining cats and dogs. It is correct. Yeah.
If we
Yes.
use it is raining like cats and dog, like is over here of preposition. Okay, after preposition, noun and pronouns are written. So this sentence gives us meaning. बारिश हो रही है like कुत्ते बिल्लियों की तरह.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
if you use
So please
right.
tell
Otherwise,
me tell me the Hindi of cats and dogs phrase like
cats and dog down
yeah.
pouring, मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है.
Yeah. Over मतलब over we can say like heavy rains or overcasting over broadcast like rain. So this is only the phrase which is used for the mostly heavy raining. Instead, we can use cats and dogs, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so we
there
can
is a
frame.
synonym for it.
Yeah.
Downpouring,
Yes.
downpouring.
Yes.
Yes, you know very well.
Yeah. Have you
So,
any
ma'am,
question
maybe
for me?
we are getting run out of time. Maybe
Yes. And yeah, only 5 minutes maybe left for wrapping up the session. I have one question for you, sir.
fine.
So, how long have you been
Yes, please,
started
ma'am.
your
Of course.
learning journey? How have you
Actually,
been? Yeah,
learning English, learning and teaching English.
English learning journey on this platform,
Uh,
YouTube platform.
YouTube platform. Last year, I started my YouTube channel, and no, I'm a beginner on YouTube platform. I have
Okay.
very few subscribers. So when talk about my learning, English learning, it has been 3 years since I have been teaching and learning English offline classes. So now even I'm also a learner. I teach and learn from
So
students.
you told me that you are an English tutor. So you are providing English classes in your coaching, or if you go anywhere for giving tuition.
I take classes from home, online and offline.